Austrian A320 from Vienna to London Heathrow. Cruising altitude of either 14,000 feet or 12,000 feet. Let's see if we can get this flying over. 737 heading to Stansted, I think. Not Stansted. Dublin, I think. This focus does me head in. Yeah, that is an Austrian 320. Going to London Heathrow. They've got a funky shot coming up. Oh, a320 down there. Oh, I can't see it. No. Swiss. Is that Austrian 320 heading to Gatwick? No, that is heading to Heathrow. Rosie. We had an A320 over here this morning. Yeah, we catched it before, haven't we? Yeah. I just want to watch this 320 go through the house there. Mark Jennings, no mate, I haven't. Where is it? There it is. Let's go into London Heathrow, this Austrian 320. Oh, Jelly. I've just realised we're booked to Vienna with Austrian. On their little 320, I think. Oh. My bad, it's a 320. That's Austrian. Well, it's something else, but that's the Austrian 320. No, she's gone. What a great shot. Oh my god. Look at this. Who's this that? I don't know, that's EasyJet, I think. So those flights, folks, are currently in, I don't know why they're orange, but they are in the sunset. The sun's all in the aircraft. So all the passengers in there are getting them. Yeah, that's freeze. Joining us in freeze. So I said 370, right? There was a 320 with EasyJet. I don't